Please welcome the real Kenny Rogers.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hi, how's it going? Thank you. Thank you. I'm Kenny Rogers, and welcome to Mad TV. I'm real pleased that I was invited out here to open up the show tonight. Now, I know Mad TV's supposed to be about, poking fun at people and all that. And all the kids here, they do, like, real great impressions of celebrities and folks in the news and whatnot. But, well, the real reason I'm here is because, well, there's this one fella here who does an impression of me, and I saw it, and it left me a little bit confused. Can we take a look at the clip? Make it good. Now, honestly, what's that all about? I mean, aside from the fact that as an impression it's completely ungrounded in any sort of reality, why are you picking on me? I mean, I've been out of the public eye since, like, Six Pack 2, and you guys are trying to paint me out to be some crazy alcoholic stroke victim. That ain't right. I mean, I don't want to be a wet blanket here, and I do love impressions. I just don't think you should be making people look like they're crazy, deranged alcoholics. That's
Cut.
not...
I'm sorry, Kenny, we have a little problem. The boom mic is in the shot.
Hey, what the is with this messed up show anyway? First of all, there's no black sambuca in my dressing room like I asked for. Then, you guys gave me a bouquet of flowers against the Jim J. Bullock. This entire operation is second rate. Where's my hooch? Hey, someone drink on my hooch!
I'm sorry, Kenny, you're absolutely right. Look, if you'll just bear with us, we'll reset here and you can take it from deranged alcoholic.
No! I am not a deranged alcoholic! You guys are trying to paint me out to be some sort of boo-hoo, same person, and I'm gonna take